I got the SBI Cashback credit card recently and I'm going to share how to get it approved instantly even without any income proof, unbox and review it and tell you all why you must have this card in 2026. I am giving away 250 rupees Amazon Pay gift cards to everyone who applies for the SBI Cashback credit card using my link in description as a New Year gift. A big announcement: on 1st of January, I launched my brand new Telegram and WhatsApp community of Anant Wealth, where I'll be connecting one-on-one with you all and also be sharing regular updates on giveaways, credit cards, exclusive insider info, exciting discounts, deals, offers, airport lounge access, and more, which you should not miss. Almost 600 people have joined already, so join from the link in description. Oh, a disclaimer: if you're applying for the card from your laptop or computer and have ad blocker on, then the link won't open and you won't get the Amazon gift card. So apply from your phone instead or disable ad blocker before applying. In the last giveaway that I did with the Indus Tiger card, a lot of viewers commented saying link not working, and we realized it's because they had ad blocker on. Remember, this is applicable not just for the SBI Cashback card but for any card you apply using my link, as I'm giving away Amazon Pay gift cards in other credit cards too, which you can check in the best credit cards of 2026 video. Even I applied for this card using my own link and faced the same issue as I was using my PC. Then I applied from my phone. So when you apply using your phone from the link in description, you will see a screen saying referred by Anirban Sarkar and 250 rupees Amazon Pay gift card. Make sure to enter your phone number that is linked with your Aadhaar, enter your OTP to start the application process. If you want any other card apart from SBI Cashback, you can click on change card and see a list of 24 available cards that you can apply for. Remember, any SBI card you apply for using my link, if the card is approved, you will get the 250 rupees Amazon Pay gift card. But since this video is about SBI Cashback, which I also took, just select SBI Cashback and then enter your personal details like name, city, etc. and then your work details and proceed. One tip: if you get any such error message while applying for the card, don't panic. Just reapply from the same link later and your application details will remain safe. It happened with me many times also, don't worry, but yes, do apply from the same link given in my description box. The best part is, in this process, you don't need to share any income proof or salary slips or ITR. One hack: if you're a freelancer like me or work from home like me without any real office, just give any random address of your city, like your friends or family's address. Don't worry, they don't do office verification, and if they did, just tell them you're either out of station or you work from home. SBI वाले बहुत आलसी है. मुझे क्यों तोड़ा? In my case, the card was approved instantly and no verification was done afterwards. Once you see this page that you're eligible for the SBI Cashback card, you will also see the credit limit that you'll get. Then you have to do the video KYC and your application will be registered successfully with an application number, which you can track later for your application status. Then in 1 or 2 days, you will receive an official email from SBI that your card has been approved, and same day it will be shipped for delivery. Yes, SBI offers really low credit limit, but a solution for this is you can log on to the SBI app and request for a credit limit upgrade. I did a request already and I'll update in my Telegram and WhatsApp community whether it was approved or not. Another hack: even before getting the physical card, which can take 3 to 7 days to get delivered depending on which city you live, you can actually find out the whole card details from the SBI card app and use the card for online transactions by activating it in the app. For example, I stay in Bangalore and I got the card few weeks back in just 3 days of getting it approved online, but I did not unbox it because I wanted to save it for this video. But I have been using the card regularly, virtually, without even opening the letter from SBI. I even paid its first bill without even opening it. So why did I take this card even though I have 13 other credit cards? Well, SBI Cashback is still the GOAT of entry-level cashback credit cards in India in 2026, because irrespective of the online merchant, you will earn flat 5% cashback. So whether it's Flipkart or Amazon, or booking flights or hotels, or any food orders in Swiggy, Zomato, or shopping in Myntra, Nykaa, or any online platforms, you will earn 5% cashback without any merchant restrictions. For offline transactions, you will earn flat 1% cashback, and it also offers 1% fuel surcharge waiver. This card has a cashback limit of 5,000 rupees in a month, both online and offline transactions combined, which means every month you can use this card for online spends up to 1 lakh rupees and get 5% cashback, saving up to 60,000 rupees in a year, which is crazy. The cashback you earn in a month automatically gets adjusted in next month's credit
card bill, so no hassle of reward points redemption. If you want the full Excel sheet that has a list of 500 plus merchants that gives 5% cashback and the ones that don't using the SBI Cashback credit card, then comment SBI list or join my Telegram and WhatsApp community where I'll share the list, link in description. This list gets updated regularly from the credit card community, and also subscribe for more such helpful content. SBI Cashback has 999 rupees yearly fee which gets waived off when you spend 2 lakh rupees in a year on the card. After using the card for a few months, if you call the customer care and tell them you want to close the card, they may offer it lifetime free, but you need to have good negotiation skills and a valued customer to get it. This is a no BS must-have credit card in your collection for your online spends, and if you want to earn 250 rupees Amazon Pay gift card for free, then don't forget to apply for the card using the official application link given in the description box below. The Amazon Pay gift card comes from my pocket and not from the bank. With the SBI Cashback card, if you want to know multiple lesser known tricks and websites to earn additional cashback of up to 18 to even 90% using gift cards, then don't miss this cashback hack video where I shared a secret trick to earn cashback even in ineligible transactions like utility bill or insurance payment. Also, please follow my brand new Instagram page Anant Wealth. Thank you for watching. I'm Anirban and I'll see you at the next one. Cheers.